Bengaluru's traffic chaos costs you 3 hours daily, but what if AI could fix it? Beyond endless traffic jams, constant honking people, jumping signals, reckless overtaking and litter everywhere, our cities are drowning in dysfunction. Enter UrbanSetu India. Their AI platform uses computer vision digital twins and 3D city simulations to tackle these exact problems. Need a smarter commute? The app recommends off-peak travel windows and tracks metro frequencies. It monitors your driving, detecting unnecessary honking and aggressive acceleration. See litter on the street? Just snap a photo. The AI automatically identifies waste types, calculates density, and generates environmental scores like the litter area ratio and haze index. It even flags community impacts that matter. Plus, you earn money through their digital wallet for contributing to city improvement. This isn't just theory. The model already works in Austria, Germany, Denmark, and even Meghalaya. The more people use it, the smarter the system becomes, creating a better urban ecosystem for everyone.